Hello everyone, my name is Miguel Fabian Lara. Today is April 1st, 2020. Today I'm going to talk about SAP, System Application Products in Data. SAP was founded in 1972. SAP was divided in logistic module, sales, materials, management, products planning, quality, maintenance, module finance, finance and management, cost, treasury, project management, human resources modules, and multi-application functions modules, workflow, and sectoral solution. SAP play a very important role in multimodal organization, since information in itself is an important tab and a factor that can never be missing from the equation towards success. Now, we must think about the correct use of information to make an appropriate decision. Thanks.